In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to correct distance on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it on your phone. If you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So of course, once you actually downloaded the application, of course you can download it through any other store you could be possibly using, and you'll have to open it up. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to just go and log in into it. But if you don't have an account, they'll actually provide you with three options to create an account. They'll give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you to create your account. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you will normally find yourself here at this home page of this Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here you'll normally find like some of your recent posts. You can edit them if you want, you can delete them, and you can even create a new post, photos, manual activities, or what's it's called segments here in this Strava application. And of course, you can do a lot of other stuff. But what we would like to care about in this tutorial is how to correct the distance. So of course, if we want to do that, we can just go here and let's say as an example, this walk-in activity. Let's just try to edit that. So here we have 4 miles, but let's say as an example, you write this 4 miles as an by mistake and you would like to correct it. You can just click here, edit activity, and you can just go here and you can edit your miles. Of course, if you like means kilometer, if you go here and change to kilometer and click at OK, as you can see, this kilometer changed into mile directly. So 4 kilometers means 2.4 mile, and that normally it corrects the distance directly. So now you'll have to hit the save button and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.